This is how I align my paper on my mat, exactly as it is in the computer. I turn my machine on, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to load my paper in, I mean my mat. Okay. Okay, here you will see. Those two ends I will put under the roller. I will load them under the roller, and there's a small line there. My paper, my mat will be on top of it. Okay, and I will load them under the roller. My very old mat. Okay, align it really well, and then load it up. And then I will go to my computer and I will send the cut job to the machine. If you watch the other video where I prepared this, you will see my cut settings and all the things that I did to accomplish what I have right now here. Okay, here it is in Silhouette Studio. Make sure you keep it selected. Make sure you're cutting the right side. Always check your image and your print out, especially if you're going to do it two-sided. I have it on cut edge, and I have my setting just like that. I'm going to send it on to my machine, and it will start cutting. Okay, this is the 65-pound cardstock, and I cut with my auto blade, and I cut only one pass, and it will come out fine. Okay, here's my work. It's cut out already. Like I said, it cuts only one pass because the cut setting is that good. um it comes off. I'll take the excessive parts off. Okay. hmm yep. Yeah, this is one side. Now I'm going to prepare to cut the other side. Don't ever forget to take the excessive part off, the small part, because you don't want to tape it, like put it together to form the fan. It won't look nice. So let's go to the other side. So this is the other side. I cut it really fast, and it cuts like butter. Okay, let's go assemble this thing. So here I am ready to assemble the two pieces. Look, make sure you pick out all the small pieces. Look, it will be like this. It will be two-sided on both sides. And I'm going to use this popsicle stick as a handle. And I'm using the Elmer glue. I'm going to put some on the popsicle stick first. And then I'm going to attach it to the paper. Attach it to the paper like that. And I'm going to turn it around and then add more glue to it, the excessive glue of the other side. Add more Elmer's glue over it, little by little, and then I'm going to spread it with the paper. Tiny piece of paper. I'm going to spread it, hold it, spread it really well, not too much. Spread it so that it can lay flat, so that it's not bulky. Let it lay flat on it, and then I'm going to attach the other part, align it, and then work your way up, or align it up and work your way down. It depends on how it is. Yeah, and then glue it together. Glue it together, and then you have your fan. Let it dry, and I made two, and then you have your fan. This is very, very good for kids and for people who love creative art like this. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know if you're going to try it. It's not difficult to do. It's very, very easy to do. Watch my video on how I did this, and you will also learn how to do print and cut with bleed and all that. I explain everything. Go and watch the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.